Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ilham Abdul Haris and NIM 242131069. The article title Death Penalty in Indonesia Between Criminal Law and Islamic Law Perspective explore the issue of capital punishment through to legal framework. Written by Tongat, it was published in Legality Jurnal Ilmiah Hukum by Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. The article appeared in volume 32, issue 1, published in 2024 and spanned 15 pages. It examined the legal foundation for the death penalty in Indonesia, focusing on serious crime like terrorism, drug trafficking, and murder under national law. From the Islamic law perspective, it discusses crimes such as cases where capital punishment is permissible under strict conditions. The article highlights the importance of fair legal process and strong evidence before implementing the death penalty and any legal framework. It addresses the conflict between ensuring public safety and respecting human rights. This analysis provides an balanced understanding of the complicating surrounding capital punishment in Indonesia. And the discussion is particularly relevant in country with a pluralistic legal system like Indonesia. The death penalty in Indonesia is applied for serious crime such as murder, terrorism, and drug trafficking. In Indonesia criminal law, the death penalty is considered a form of justice that provides an deterrent effect for offenders. Criminal of the death penalty include issue of human rights, the risk of error in the legal process. Islamic law also allows the death penalty, but with very strict conditions. In the case of murder, Islamic law give the victim family the option of forgiving the perpetrator and receiving compensation. The death penalty in Islam is seen as the last resort after peace efforts are not achieved. The comparison shows the Islamic law is more flexible because it emphasizes forgiven, while Indonesian criminal law tend to be right. The author highlights the need for reform of the Indonesian legal system to be more in line with human values. The recommendation in this article include the application of justice principle that exist in Islamic law. The article readers to understand and the death penalty through balance legal and moral apparent. In my opinion, this journal provides a very interesting and in-depth perspective on the death penalty in Indonesia. The article success compared to legal system, namely Indonesia criminal law and Islamic law. One of the things I learned is that Indonesia criminal law, the death penalty is often seen as an attempt to provide a deterrent effect justice for victim. However, the Islamic law, the upper feel more human and it provides opportunities for the victim family to forgive or receive compensation and alternative to the death penalty. In addition, this article highlights that Indonesia criminal law tend to be right compared to Islamic law, which is more flexible, by incorporating moral and humanitarian consideration. In conclusion, this article teaches legal reform is needed to that the Indonesia legal system better reflect restorative justice and human values. Thank you very much for attention. See you and goodbye. Yeah.